Hey there, I want to do a quick review on this Moultrie rechargeable battery pack. I actually have bought 3 of these. I run multiple cameras during hunting season. So these things have worked out awesome, and I'll tell you why. Instead of spending money on other batteries, rechargeable batteries, regular batteries, whatever the case may be, these have saved so much money. They're a little bit more money up front, but in the long run, these things have paid for themselves probably 5 times over. Been using them for a couple years. The charge on them lasts really long. I get through about 3/4 of the season before I have to replace one. We start cameras probably in about mid-October, and I don't take them down until well after hunting season is over, just to see what makes it through. So cold weather, we're in Ohio, so single digits, negative degrees nights, it's still taking pictures, snapping pictures, no hiccups, no issues. So love it. They are easy to use. Like as far as the charging is concerned, it's got this little flap on it right here. Just pull that flap open, plug your cord in. It takes several hours to charge up. That's why I bought 3. So I've always got an extra one on hand if one dies, and I can switch them out. And I've got no downtime. So they're super easy to put in the camera. You literally just slide it in there. It clicks in. And then to take it off, this is the Mulchery camera. So it's got that little eject button right there. Eject it out. Slide it out. That's it. So thanks for watching. Thought I would share. Hopefully this helps somebody out. We'll see you.